Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Google app not working properly. So to start, go ahead and open your phone settings. Then from here, scroll down to General. Next, go to iPhone storage. Then scroll down and look for Google, or you can search for it. Then open it. Now from here, tap on Offload app. Tap Offload app again to confirm the action. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. So once reinstall app appears, click on that. So wait for it to be reinstalled, and reinstalling the app will place back all your data. So just wait for it to finish. So once it's finished, go ahead and open it again and see if that works. Next, again, go to your settings. So once you open settings, check your internet connection. So select Wi-Fi. So make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi or mobile data or a strong internet connection. Then try opening a website to confirm your connection is working. Next is to force close Google app. So go ahead and open Google app. Next is to clear cache. So open Google app and click your profile in the top right corner. Then from here, scroll down to settings. Go to privacy and safety. Then at the top, select clear app history, then click clear all. Then from here, select clear cookies, then click clear all. Then you can close Google app fully and reopen it and see if that works. Next is to update Google app. So open Google Play Store or App Store, then search for Google. So open it, then install any available updates. So if you see an update button, just click on that to update the app. And that's it. Thank you for watching.